guys, so we're on the road en route to Piedmont Dragway for a drift event. It's just like a test and tune night type of thing. They have open track, they have a total of 3. They have a skid pad, a small track, and a big track. I'm taking my pretty much stock C63 to this event. I figured the 190E is not going to be ready anytime soon, or at least not for a few months, so why not have some fun? I have some tires for the 190E that are a little too tall, but they do fit this car, 5x112 lug pattern, so might as well throw them on the back of this thing and burn them up a little bit, have some fun. Obviously, this car's never been to any type of drifting event in its life. I've never taken it. It doesn't have a regular handbrake, so I'll have to do the old Scandinavian flick to make it work. But I have tools and everything else in tow behind me. The wife's got my truck and she's driving it, so we have a place to set up so we can set up our tent and everything else. This is a night event, so hopefully I could get some good footage. Now hopefully I won't make a complete idiot out of myself, but this car is an LSD car, so I won't be doing any one tire fires. It does have a tune and European intakes on it, so it's deep into the 500s horsepower wise, and when I test fitted the other wheels onto it, it had no problem breaking them loose even at 40 miles an hour, so that won't be a problem. But obviously I don't have any type of angle kit or anything like that. It's bone stock. I guess we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I don't make too much of an ass out of myself, but you know, we'll pick up when we get there.
Give him a show.
don't know what the track temperature was, but the car was showing 101 for the most of the afternoon. Right now it's 10 after 9 and it's still 86 degrees, so it was a real hot one. The car honestly did great for being an automatic, no handbrake, no angle kit, stock car. It really shined. It was a lot of fun. I had a lot of people come up to me and be very surprised why the car is out there. They said it's too pretty, you know, to be thrashing around on the track and whatnot. But they're also impressed with the fact that it could do what it could do. For the first event, and probably only I'm ever going to do in this car, because it's not what the purpose of this car is. I am very happy. I put a lot of smiles on a lot of people's faces. You know, I had people coming up to me constantly asking questions about it, or if I'm out of my mind drifting, you know, a stock C63. Hopefully I could find some pictures and videos on Facebook after the fact. I saw a bunch of people, you know, taking pictures and videos. There's a guy with a drone, so hopefully I made it in some sort of video. But either way, it was a great day. I'm very happy with the car. Right now I got the AC on, it's quiet, the stock wheels back on it, and it's smooth as butter. No issues whatsoever. It did wonderful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll work on getting more exciting content like this instead of just stuff in the garage. So thanks again, until next time.